just receive a more powerful solar generator. The power station itself is 2160 watt hours, and it can be paired with 6 of their solar panels, which are 200 watt per piece. This system a big step up from their exporter, 1500. Their 2200 watts per scene inverter has a surge 4400 watts. I'm already trying to figure out what the big scenes I can plug in there actually test this scene's property. Panels are come with their own protective case, and quartz even throws its overcast. I was still obliged to bring in over 270 watts through the cards. Their new panels as waterproof. You do have to keep EricSity panel dry, but you don't have to try to fold them all up in hairy ones. The sun started shining again. I noticed it. We are bringing it over more power than the panels are rated for. Follow me and click the link in my bio to know more about it.